How to reset your Amazon seller account password. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Amazon Seller Central and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, sellercentral.amazon.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now click on the option of login. Now go ahead and type in the email or mobile number. After you type in, now click on the option of password assistance. Again, go ahead and type in the email or phone number that is linked with your account and then click on continue. Now you will be receiving OTP code in the email or the phone number that you have just entered. So you can go and check the mail or the text. Then type in the code over here. After you type in the code, click on continue. In the next page, you will need to generate a new password for your account, and with that your password will be updated for the Amazon seller account. So this way you can easily reset your Amazon seller account's password. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.